Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. With the Olympics in full swing, we thought what better chance than to dedicate a whole video on all things Olympics. Personally, I love everything about the Olympics. For years, my husband and I would even throw an Olympic-themed party, complete with appetizers from different countries, games, and a medal ceremony on the night of the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games. Now, enough about my Olympic nerdiness. Let's learn how to sign Olympic signs in ASL. Before we get started, did you know that there are Deaf Olympics? Yes! The Deaflympics are hosted every 4 years, typically the year after the Summer Olympic Games. To be eligible to compete in the Deaflympics, athletes must have a hearing loss of at least 55 decibels in their better ear. Check out their website to find even more about the Deaflympics. Olympics. Olympics. These are hooking together to make the Olympic rings. Olympics. Summer. Summer. It's just like you're dripping sweat off your forehead during the summer. Summer. Winter. Winter. Now notice I'm not showing any facial expression with this, because if I did, that would be the sign for cold. So, winter. Gold. Gold. You're pointing to your jewelry and shaking out to a Y. Gold. Silver. Silver. Your index finger shakes out to an S hand. Silver. Bronze. Bronze. You're just going to fingerspell B-R-O-N-Z-E. Bronze. Ceremony or celebration. You have X hands moving upwards in a circular motion. I like to think of streamers falling from the sky. Ceremony or celebrate. Country. Country. Your non-dominant arm is bent as your dominant hand is circling on your elbow. Country. Represent or to show or example. Your index finger is pointing to an example. Represent, example, or to show. Win. Win. You have two X hands and your dominant one is coming up. Win. Lose. Lose. This is like you're falling flat down on your face because you lost. Lose. Points. Points. This is like you're getting points in a game. Points. Score. Score. It's the act of counting out something for the score. Score. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. This is like a gymnast going round the bar. Gymnastics. Swimming. Swimming. You're just acting like you're swimming. Swimming. Water polo. Water polo. It's the sign water and like you're grabbing the ball above your head. Water polo. Track. Track. It's like the people racing against each other. Track. Run. Run. Both fingers are in an L hand shape, hooked together. Run. Now, there are 3 different signs for volleyball. Volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Just like you're playing with a volleyball, flicking it, or VB. Volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Basketball. Basketball. You're holding the basketball and you're twisting it. Basketball. Baseball. Baseball. It's like you're holding a baseball bat and you're swinging. Baseball. Softball. Softball. You're making the shape of the softball. Softball. Soccer or soccer. It's like you're kicking the ball when you play soccer. Soccer, soccer. Tennis, tennis. It's just like you're holding a tennis racket and playing a game. Tennis. Boxing, boxing. You've got fists to look like you're boxing. Boxing. Wrestling, wrestling. Your two hands are interlocked together like you're wrestling. Wrestling. Weightlifting, weightlifting. It's just like you're holding up the weights. Weightlifting. Archery, archery. It's like you're pulling back the bow and letting it go. Archery. Golf, golf. It's just like you're swinging a club in golf. Golf. Surf, surf. This is the surfboard, and you're on top of it, and you're surfing the waves. Surf. Skateboard, skateboard. Your fingers are making the wheels of the skateboard. Skateboard. Ski, ski. These are the blades, and they're going down the mountain. Ski. Snowboard or snowboard. It's like the board going down the mountain. Snowboard or snowboard. Hockey, hockey. You've got a bent finger just like it's the hockey stick hitting a hockey puck. Hockey, hockey. Ice skate, ice skate. These X hands are representing the blades like you're ice skating on the ice. Ice skate. You're probably wondering why I didn't show you the countries. Well, first, there are so many countries, this video would be hours long. Also, it's respectful to use each country's own sign for their country. Check out our video on sign language around the world to take a deeper dive into countries and their sign language. Now, let's put these Olympic signs to practice. Simone Biles is an amazing gymnast. Gymnast, Simone Biles, skilled. The swimming relay was so close. Swimming, team, race, close. And this is like, won it by a hair. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified so you can keep up with all things ASL. And speaking of subscribing, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.